papunta dito yung kapatid ni Tami na babae. Dahil pag-usapan nila yung...
I looked at it's one thing I like about stores instead of internet. I look at what they had there, and the Acer actually looked like a better.
Yan, my sister-in-law is here.
The one that went for the projector, all the way to
Projector? Oh, that's the one in the house?
Yeah.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! I don't know kung anong oras na ngayon guys kasi nagpatay-patay. Oh, 11:18. So, good morning pa. And nalilate ako nag-vlog. Usually, mag-vlog ako, sobrang aga, diba? Ngayon, late tayo kasi na-busy ako, guys. Naglilinis ako, nag-vacuum. Nagwawash na naman ako ng mga cover sa couch. And yun. And hindi pa ako tapos. Andito. Guys, na-frustrate ako sa ko dito. Dito sa area na to. Andito din pimples man ito. Dito na area. Kasi kagabi sabi ko, nagpipil-pil na naman ikaw, nagpeeling na naman ba yung namakpak. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, hala, sige, pabayaan kita. Pinagalit ako sa white ko, sa lips ko. Sabi ko, pabayaan niya kita. And pinabayaan ko kagabi. Ang nangyari, guys, na siya, na sobrang dry kasi hindi ko nilagyan ng vitamin E oil. Ako na naman, nagsuffer na naman ako dahil sa frustration ko kagabi. Ako naman yung nagsasuffer kasi na-dry na siya, na-open, nagdugo. Today is Monday pala. Andito si Tami. And, yan. Gutom ako. Nagutom ako, guys. As in, guys. Kainin natin ito yung ganito ba. Walang kutsilyo. Ganito kainin. Panitin. Anyway, guys. Tamis. This from Costco. Bag, I'm not having anything bag. Just mango. Because paminsan talaga si Hubs gusto niyang makikain din. Ganyan yan si Hubs. Fruit, good for you. Ang tamis. Grabe yung tamis, guys. It's really, really sweet. Meron pa na akong 4 doon. Alam kasi ni Tami na gustong-gusto ko to. So, kaya, niya. Huwag na tayong guys, kimi-kimi. Ganito kasi yung normal na kain ko sa mango. Mas enjoyable kapag ganito. Now it's time to clean up this chair. Clean up this chair. Grabe yung hangin, guys. Oy, grabe talaga. O, nalagpot yung, yun. Yung maliit na bird feeder. Bird feeder. Grabe kasi yung hangin, ang lakas. Ito yung mga in-spray ko sa furniture, guys. Kapag may aso, lock, pit, odor eliminator, yun, It's time to start peeling this or cleaning this broccoli rabe. My husband's favorite vegetables in the world. Start cleaning it. Oh, hindi nyo pala ako nakikiti. Nakikiti. Anyway, so yan, let's na guys. Takot akong papunta dito si Tommy guys kasi sobrang yung hangin. Sobrang parang dizzy ako guys, nadi-dizzy. So, malakas yung hangin. So takot ako. Alam nyo mga 50 to 60 km per hour, 'di ba ang lakas niyon? Imagine nyo na lang guys. Saka magda-drive ka pa, 'di ba? Maraming truck pa naman. Yun talaga yung pinakatakot, yung truck. Kasi matuwad baliskad yung truck. Matuwad baliskad. Anyway guys, papunta dito yung kapatid ni Tommy na babae. Dahil pag-usapan nila yung kung anong gagawin sa kung anong mangyayari about sa biyanan ko, kung anong desisyon nila. So, pag-usapan mamaya dito. Sana hindi lang ito usap-usap like the last time, nag-usap-usap and then walang nangyayari. Pero ngayon, takot na sila kasi yung gobyerno na isusumbong sa gobyerno. Kasi kapag isumbong sa gobyerno, so kapag isumbong kapag involved na yung government, kasi ang dyan is kukunin nila yung biyanan ina nila, ilagay sa yung mga bahay pang matanda, and then kukunin lahat kung anong meron yung biyanan ko. Kunin nila yung mga ari-arian, ganyan, kunin. Kasi para pangbayad sa mga pag-alaga, ganun. Ay, so kaya sila, in a hurry. Hi guys! Okay, now it's time to cut more garlic. I have a little garlic left over. The one that I cut the last week. I will add more kasi kailangan I'm going to cook pasta. What the heck? I'll cook pasta plus the broccoli rabe. Kailangan ng a lot of garlic. So, okay, yun. Hi. What's going on? Peeling some garlic for your broccoli rabe. Cleaning broccoli rabe, whatever.
Yeah, I'm leaving the micro's there.
What?
I'm leaving the micro's there.
Oh, you've been there? So what happened?
No, I looked at it's one thing I like about stores instead of internet. I look at what they had there, and the Acer actually looked like a better.
What kind? Did you see the specs?
Oh, the Snapchap? No, they don't carry that crap. But they carry that ALC, which is just so much crap.
I mean, did you look if it's like the hertz and stuff?
It's 144 hertz.
And how much it is?
Yeah. 160 with taxes, 175.
Wait.
That's what they got. You don't get that. Anything cheaper is all 60 hertz. But it's curved screen, it's 24 inches. So.
What screen?
Curved.
It's a curved one.
Not kind of Acer. They said if you want the warranty, so I figured buy a warranty.
No, Jesus Christ, we don't need any warranty. We never use warranty.
If you don't stop interrupting when I'm talking, it's really annoying.
Okay.
So,
Okay, now I'm gonna interrupt you again. Just kidding, joke. Okay, go ahead.
so I asked, is that 2 years beyond the manufacturer warranty, or is it overlap?
So it's like a scam. If you really don't ask, it's scam.
Alright, we'll see what I'm asking. Thanks for getting an extra 2 years.
A lot of garlic, guys. Garlic. Luto early para pagdating nila, guys, meron na tayong luto. And then later on, yung pasta na naman yung lulutuin natin. Ilagay natin si broccoli rabe. Lagyan natin ng powder, garlic powder. And onion powder. Itong paper mamaya na kapag nalagay na dito lahat yung, kasi meron pa doon, oh. Kasi depende yan guys sa depende yan kung gaano karami yung broccoli. And then takpan natin yan. Siya lumiit ba para malagay natin ito. Kasi meron pa dito, oh. Winawash ko lang siya. I can't believe the la 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 la. Oh, I didn't care.
What?
For anyone but you. What? I swear. You took me anything there is. Yeah. Can't imagine any sunset. Through the years, never let you down. You turn my life around. Lalagay ko na lahat, guys. Yun. Takpan na lang natin siya. And manood muna tayo ng datok. Kasi 2 o'clock na. Kapag 2 o'clock na, kasi datok na. Datok. Datok, 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 datok.
No.
Tignan nyo yung aso. Sabi ko, huwag kayong pumunta sa couch. Kasi bagong laba. Yun, andun sila. Guys, ito guys, I turned the vent kasi sobrang usok. Kasi I turn it higher. So yun, yun siya. Masarap siya guys. As in, nilagyan ko na siya ng peppercorn. Ano lang, grinded. So, ito lang yung nilagay ko. Ito lang sila. Hoy, come. Hoy, don't open your butt. Come here. Ito, mama. What do you need? I just give you something, okay? I just give you treats. I just did. Oh, I just did. Tignan nga natin kung meron bang na ano dito na kahoy na natumba. Monday. Buti na lang walang malalaking kahoy. Mas mataas pa yung bahay ko kaysa sa kahoy dun. Anyway, so i-blue dye ko lang tong buhok ko, guys. And I will see you later. Gusto kong mag-prank kay Tami kasi meron akong nakikita mga video yung mga bata. Yeah, meron ako nakikita mga video. Matagal na to yung video ni yung bata na nagpa-prank. Yung kapatid niya, pinaprank niya. And hindi niya kinausap. Gusto kong gawin kay Tami. Pero gusto ko gamitin yung sister-in-law ko. Kasi papunta siya dito. Gusto kong, yung sister-in-law ko, hindi ko papansinin. And ipaprank namin si Tami. And tignan natin. Ay, sana mangyari. Almost 6 o'clock na. Wala pa si Tami. And I'm waiting for my sister-in-law to be here. I cannot even open it. I'm not sure if Dada already closed the garage. I'm not sure. Look at this tail of Misty. Hello. Why na naman si Misty? Misty, wine so much naman. Ala, Dada si. I have water. Hi guys. Kakain na kami guys. Ito yung kakainin namin. Ito siya. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Lamb. And pasta ole. Basta niyo bilan?
Ayoya.
Ayoya? Oyoya. Yan, my sister-in-law is here. Yan siya. Ang Tami mo is here. Inom lang ako. Kain muna kami.
Oh, I got the special.
This is okay, you sit over there because you want to see. Okay, look at that guy. He took my chair.
I figured if the Scotch glass was here, you would have figured it out.
No, I don't know. It doesn't matter. I love you. Anyway, kakain. The thing, ouch.
I'm getting it.
The dinner is late, guys. 8 o'clock because of Tami. Kain muna kami, Right, you have to come over here and help me.
We'll wait for a few minutes.
Okay, I'll go upstairs. I will unbox. Nagpabili ako ni Tami ng monitor sa gaming ko. Nagpabili ako sa kanya kasi gusto ko mag-order sa Amazon pero gusto niya siya yung pumili kasi wala akong kalam-alam. Siya na may alam. So, kaya pumunta siya sa Micro Center and siya yung bumili. Kasi sa alam pa niya, ako nang pipili kasi wala daw akong kaalam-alam sa mga ganito. Totoo naman talaga. Hindi ko pa na pasensya na guys. Bahala Miss Batman. Hindi ko pa natutupi. Ito siya. Yung Acer yung brand niya kasi Tami ni Tami. Acer okay naman daw. Dell sana yung bibilihin niya. Wala na siyang Wala siyang nakitang magandang ano doon. So, ito. Open sesame. Yay. Bagong monitor. Ito, yung guide. Use guide. So, ito na yung screen ko. Pag maglalaro ako, ito na yung makikita ko. Curve siya, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Curvy. Ang ganda, guys. No, curve. It's really easy to assemble, guys. Okay guys, tapusin ko na lang ito guys kasi ano ng oras. What time is it? Time check. It is, oh my god, 10 o'clock na. Tapusin ko lang to and then ipakita ko sa inyo kapag tapos na, okay? Okay guys, now it's connected. You just plug everything and that's it?
What's up?
Oh my goodness. Look, I can see clear now the game guys. Look at it. Yay! Thanks, hon.
Yeah.
He's so good. Now I can do recording, guys. And then I still have to plug this to record all the shit.
Should have a longer HDMI cable.
Why?
Was this the same length?
The same. They're all the same length.
Really?
Yeah, they're all the same. I have a longer one in the computer bag, but not now. But this is. I will.
I have a real long one in my computer bag. No, you can't have it.
No, I think.
15 feet.
No, I don't need that shit.
I got 100 for one at the house.
Han, why you need it?
Why do I need it?
Why you need that long?
The one that went for the projector all the way to
Projector? Oh, that's the one in the house?
Yeah.
Oh, that's expensive. You buy it like how much?
Yeah, that was expensive.
So why you cannot plug it?
This is not HDMI.
Oh, what is that then?
This is
DVI?
No, it's what the hell's the name of it? It's like a multi-port for IBM computers.
Oh.
I forget what they call it. Cable.
So there you go, guys. We have a thing. Thanks, son.
Yeah. You want
What?
me to put the thinner cable on? You get a little more play. You get a little room to move.
What thinner cable?
That one's a little longer.
No, that's
You sure?
fine.
Because now you're tight. You can't move either one of these things.
They're all the same. Okay, do it now. They're all the same.
It's not the same one. It's a little bit longer. Is it a lot longer? No, it's a little longer. This one's very tight the way it is.
It's nice over here. Big screen. Oh my god, I can. Hala. Hala. You don't even shut it off.
I don't need to shut it off. See, so this one goes over here.
Ah, okay. It's different. This is, what is this? 1080p. Hala, Han, is so freaking clear. Look at that, guys. I don't know, you guys, if you can see. Look at this, Han. Look, look. Oh my god. Thanks, big boy. Oh my god. At meron pa pala akong i-check, nakalimutan ko. Iahak na alas 8, alas 10 na. Alas 10:14, wala pa ako nag-check kung okay lang ba yung upload ko. Anyway guys, I will end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I hope I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe guys and like the video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.